Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete someone on Facebook Messenger. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's open up the Facebook app and here you can see Messenger icon. Tap on it. Here you can see different pupils who are connected to me on the Facebook, right? So if I tap one of them, now here you can see their profile. You can simply block that person from your Facebook Messenger, right? This is the one way you can delete someone from your Facebook Messenger. The other way is tap on it. Now you can see delete. That delete means this person will be deleted till you message him again or that person's message you again. And also this delete means that your all the conversation will be deleted at once. So this is how you can remove someone from your Facebook Messenger. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.